Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the Playwright for JavaScript series. Hope you're all doing well and in your career and in your life, okay? And hope you watched all the previous videos right from the start till now, okay? So now this is a very going to very short topic, okay? Right, how to handle shadow DOM, okay? So we'll see shortly how to right handle the shadow DOM. We are going to see this. Okay. So what is that is right. Suppose right. I have this site. Okay. Books. Pick it. Appspot.com. Okay. So if I want to locate this search bar. Okay. I right click inspect. If you see right, it's coming under the shadow root. Okay, so if you see right, I want to locate this id input. It's coming under, it's hidden under shadow root. Okay, shadow root open, right? So this one is hidden under the shadow root down. Okay, so we need to right navigate via shadow root, and then we need to locate it. Okay, how to do that, that we are going to see in this particular video. Okay, so now let me go to the previous code, the simple code. Okay, I'll copy this and I will paste it. Okay, now I'm going to right print this one, paste this one. Okay, let me remove all the right unwanted codes, right, right from my right file. Okay, now first line of code, I'm going to import Chromium browser, Chromium package from the Playwright. So I'm going to import the Chromium package from the Playwright since we are going to launch the Chromium browser. Okay, then I'm going to use the default async in the Playwright, where for each condition or task or whatever we are going to do, so by default it waits and that does the task. Okay, so I'm adding this line of code to for a default wait. Okay, the next line of code, it launches the Chromium browser with a launch method and headless state equal to false, so it's going to run in foreground. If we want to run in background, I can change it to true. I'm just launching it and storing it in a reference called browser. With the help of a reference browser, I'm creating a new page, blank page in the Chromium browser. First launching a Chromium browser, then opening a new blank page. Okay, after that, with the help of goto method, I'm going to launch the URL. This time you are going to launch a different URL. I'll just copy it and I am pasting here in this right goto method. Okay, so now we launched the Chromium browser, we launched right new page and we navigated to the right URL. Now what we need to do is right, we need to write see as I told you, this is hidden under the shadow root DOM. So we need to write a peer selector locator, right, handle this one. Okay, so we need to write in a way that it's going to right handle this. Okay, so it's coming under book app, then app reader. Okay, and okay, app reader, and then after that it's going to go to the app toolbar. Okay, so app reader, app toolbar, then I think it's going to come to input and input id is going to go. So we are going to use right PS look selector, right, using PS selector it goes to the shadow roots. Okay, now what I'll do is right, I'll just add await await page dot locator. So we need to write pairs from the right root. Okay, so now I'll give double quotes. Okay, first right, we need to come from the book app, right? So everything is under the shadow, right? First we need to add tag name, right, book app. Okay, book hyphen app. Okay, so I'll copy this one and I will paste it. Okay, so now we need to give a space and give three right arrows. Okay. Now first right we did write PS into the book app. Now we need to go to the app header. I'll copy app header, then I'll paste here, then I'll give. So we need to write navigate from book app to app header. Then we need to go to app toolbar. So everything is under the shadow root. So we should navigate there, right? App toolbar. Then we need to right go to the title. Okay. Okay. App toolbar. One minute. See. Okay. Then so button one. Okay. Where is coming in the app toolbar? Then we need to give right input. One minute. They should do also the book input. So input decorator also is coming under the shadow root. Let me copy this also. So I'll again give right, book input decorator. I'll give. Then again I need to go to the input. Input is also under the shadow root. Okay. So I just copying input. Okay. Now let's take an write ID input. Okay, so we need to locate ID here. We are trying to locate with ID. For ID, the syntax is hash. Okay, as we do it normally, and the value. Okay, so I'll just copy the value here and I'll paste it. Okay, so it's traversing from book app to the app header to the app toolbar, then book input decorator, and then from the input tag to the ID right input. If you see the DOM right, so first right we are coming from right book right book app is under the shadow root. Okay, and app header is under the shadow root. Okay, and then right if you see app toolbar it's under the shadow root. Book input decorator is under the right shadow root. Okay, after that straight away we need to locate the input tag and then id equal to input. Okay, so this is how we can do. So I just located this one. Okay, so now then what we need to do is right we need to uh, let me do one thing. Let me create a constant. Okay, search box equal to. Okay, now I created a constant page locator, so it will directly. Okay, page locator. I'm just storing it in a search bar reference that we will use to fill it. Okay, so I'll write search box dot fill. Right, I will enter some name. Okay, testing academy. Okay, then I'll give it right semicolon. Okay, now let's save it. Go to the terminal. I'll navigate to the folder cd test since the file is under cd test. Okay, let me go to node and what is the file name? Shadow, shadow dom. Okay, dot js. Okay, so I'll run this one. So it launched a Chromium browser. It launched the app, and I write 1 minute. Let me run this. I'll add a wait statement here. Okay, I've added a timeout by 5 seconds, wait, and then close the browser. Okay, let me save it and run again. Launching the Chromium browser, launching the URL. You can see, right, it entered the text JS Testing Academy, and it's going to close the browser. Okay, so this is how we can handle shadow DOM with the help of right peer selectors in Playwright. Okay, so it's passing from a book app to the app header and to the app toolbar to the book input decorator and to the input, and with the id right value is input. Okay, so and we can do whatever task we want to do with that particular locator. Okay, so this is how we can handle shadow DOM in the Playwright. Okay, hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching this video. Continue to follow series. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.